Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to the best, most practical gear out there. And today, we're reviewing what could very well be the best backpack for men when it comes to travel, waterproofing, and laptop storage. Meet the KROSER TSA-friendly travel laptop backpack, a powerhouse of convenience and thoughtful design for modern professionals, students, and frequent flyers alike. Let's start with its look and build. This backpack means business, in both looks and performance. It's constructed from high-quality ballistic fabric that's not only water-repellent but also durable enough to stand up to heavy travel. The sleek black exterior with red accents makes it equally stylish for work or casual settings. The dimensions are 18.6 by 13.5 by 10.8 inches and it weighs about 3.08 pounds. That size is perfect for laptops up to 17.3 inches, making it ideal for those who carry larger devices. Moving into the interior, and there's a lot to cover here. The multi-compartment design is exactly what you'd hope for in a premium travel backpack. You'll find separate sections and pockets that hold everything from your laptop and iPad to power banks, A4 files, clothes, and more. It even includes a hard-shelled top compartment that's perfect for items like sunglasses or your smartphone. Basically anything you want quick and secure access to. Then there's the front pocket, which not only looks sharp but features a waterproof zipper for added protection of your smaller essentials. On the sides, you get zippered and mesh pockets, handy for umbrellas, water bottles, or accessories like chargers and cables. It's clear this bag was designed with organization and ease of access in mind. One of the standout features is the built-in USB port. Now, while the power bank isn't included, the port allows for safe, on-the-go charging by connecting your device to the internal cable. It's incredibly convenient when you're at the airport or on the move and need to top off your phone. Security and comfort weren't overlooked either. The backpack includes RFID blocking pockets, which help protect your credit cards, ID, and passport from unauthorized scanning. A must-have in today's tech-heavy travel environments. There's also a well-padded airflow back system, which helps keep your back cool and comfortable even on longer journeys. Plus, there's a hidden anti-theft pocket, ideal for valuables you want to keep out of sight. And for those who travel with rolling luggage, you'll appreciate the integrated luggage strap. It slides right over your suitcase handle, so the backpack can rest securely on top while you breeze through terminals. But this backpack isn't just about function. It feels premium. From the reinforced handle to the sturdy zippers and durable stitching, everything screams quality. Whether you're heading to college, commuting to work, or embarking on a weekend trip, it's designed to handle a wide range of uses and environments. To sum it all up, the KROSER TSA-friendly travel laptop backpack is not just another bag. It's a well-thought-out travel companion that delivers on durability, utility, and safety. Its size, organization, waterproof materials, RFID protection, USB charging capability, and comfort features make it an excellent investment for anyone who values function blended with style. If you're serious about travel and tech, and you want a backpack that works as hard as you do, this one definitely earns a spot at the top of your list. That's it for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if there's a product you want us to critique next. This is Product Critique, where we break it down, so you can buy with confidence. See you next time.